In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D parallax interactive website with no code using Wix Studio. Let's dive right in and explore how you can harness the power of the web without writing a single line of code. First things first, you need to head over to Wix Studio, the perfect platform built for agencies and enterprises looking to craft exceptional web experiences. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button to get started. If you don't already have an account, this is the best time to create one, though we're proceeding with the assumption that you do. Next, click on Continue with Google. This step is crucial as it offers a quick and streamlined login experience. Trust me, using Google to log in makes everything a breeze and keeps your account secure and organized. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the editing page where you can begin setting up your site. Look for the plus icon on the interface and give it a click. This button is your gateway to adding new features and content, allowing you to unleash your creativity on your website canvas. Now click on Media to access different media options for your site. This will open up a world of visual possibilities. From here, navigate to Transparent Video. Transparent videos can provide that eye-catching look and feel which makes your site stand out to visitors. After selecting Transparent Video, it's time to bring in your chosen content. Simply drag and drop the video you wish to use into the editing area. This intuitive process is not only simple but also ensures that you can customize your site precisely how you envision it. Next, find the animations icon on your screen and give it a click. Animations can significantly enhance user engagement, making your website lively and memorable. This feature is essential for giving your site professional flair and movement. Once you're in the animation section, click on Mouse Effects. These effects allow you to create a dynamic interaction as viewers move their mouse over components. Making your website interactive in this way engages visitors and keeps them wanting more. After choosing your mouse effect, click on Add to apply it to your video. With just a few clicks, you've added robust functionality to your site without any coding. To continue with the process, click on Track 3D. This powerful feature gives your website depth and perspective that simulates a 3D experience, thus enhancing the immersive element of your site. Once you've set this up, the final step is to see your work in action. Click on Preview to view the 3D Parallax website you've just crafted. Take this chance to ensure everything appears exactly as you intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, your 3D Parallax interactive site is ready to go, all without writing a single line of code. Keep exploring the features of Wix Studio to continuously refine and enhance your web creation journey. Thanks for watching, and happy building.